Hi guys, welcome again to my channel, Nurse Millie Talks. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what I title Women's Health. I'm going to take it in series. And for today, we are going to be looking at periods, or you can call it menstruation or women's monthly flow. I call it women's health because this is peculiar to women. Have you ever thought of your menstrual cycle being too heavy or very painful, or you are just confused, you don't even know where to place yourself? Worry no more. You are not alone. So come join me. Let's break the myths and silence of menstruation. Are you a teen or a woman in their 30s, or you are just here, you want to know more about women's health? This video is a go-to guide for you in understanding menstruation with clarity and confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more relatable health tips. So first of all, when we say period, what do we mean? This period is the shedding of the uterine wall when pregnancy does not occur, and it have an average cycle of 21 to 35 days and a period of flow of between 2 to 7 days. So there is no one size fits all. And some people can have it very heavy, and some people can have light flow. It just depends on your individual makeup. So that's why I always tell people, check with your doctor to know what is normal for you. So when we talk about period, what is really normal about this period? For period, you can have like mind mood change, which is normal. Mind cramp is normal. Mild to moderate bleeding. These are all normal part of menstrual cycle. But what is now abnormal? Abnormal heavy flow. We call it soccus, or very scanty. You have like drop. You need to check with your doctor. Or you have this severe pain, severe cramping that incapacitates you, that you can't even do anything. Some people end up in the hospital for admission for menstrual periods. Yes, it's as bad as that. You see some people coming out with clots, titty clot as big as a coin. Some can even miss periods. Please do well to always check with your doctor when you experience all these abnormal signs. So, how do you manage these symptoms of menstrual periods? So, what are the managements that you need to take? What are some of these actions you need to take during your menstrual cycle? We encourage hydration. It helps a lot. You can also use warm compress. It helps to reduce that cramping. Some people tell you they engage in light exercises like walking, yoga, and mild stretching. Also try to have or eat iron-rich food. Remember, you are losing something. You need to keep yourself going. A lot of vegetable. And if you still try all this, you feel it's not working, you have to please seek medical advice. Please, guys, if you have listened to this video today, do well to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and share to other persons, other women, other things, even men that need to know this about women. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nurse Millie Talks, for more healthy and relatable health talks. Thank you so much.